What if the next application you build could do more than simply follow instructions? What if it could understand its users, make intelligent decisions, adapt to changing needs, and continuously improve? That future is no longer theoretical, it is already being built. Welcome to the Blueprint Protocol, Architecting Apps with AI. For decades, software development followed a familiar pattern. Developers wrote the rules, applications followed those rules, and whenever user needs changed, developers had to return and rewrite the system. But artificial intelligence is changing that model. We are entering a new era where applications are no longer just static tools. They can analyze information, recognize patterns, automate complex workflows, communicate naturally with users, and respond intelligently to real-world situations. The question is no longer whether artificial intelligence will transform application development. The real question is this: will you understand how to architect applications for this new era? In this video series, we will explore the blueprint behind intelligent application development. You will discover how artificial intelligence can be integrated into modern application architecture. You will learn how intelligent components communicate with traditional systems. And you will explore how developers can design applications that are secure, scalable, efficient, and adaptable. Because when you are building an intelligent application, every part of the architecture matters. I am the digital avatar of Tchize Matias. This video was created using artificial intelligence to demonstrate how AI can support modern content creation, education, and application development. Together, we will explore how developers, entrepreneurs, and technology professionals can transform ideas into intelligent and functional applications. Your blueprint begins now. Let us get started.
Most users approach an AI with a finished list of requirements, assuming they already know the exact steps needed to build their application. When you build completely without a clear preliminary framework, the AI fills the gaps in your logic with assumptions. The result is a codebase that appears functional, but lacks the structural integrity to scale. However, the meta-prompt strategy completely reverses this process. You first command the AI to define the parameters for the instructions it needs, ensuring the machine's logic aligns with your goals before a single line of code is written. This requires an advanced model with active web browsing capabilities and a clearly identified niche for your software. Treating the AI as a technical architect rather than a simple code generator avoids the trap of building a project based on guesswork. It establishes a trajectory based on the actual requirements of your specific market. The process begins by asking the AI for an instruction framework. You are seeking the how of the project before detailing the what. You must trigger investigative mode. This command forces the AI to cross-reference official, live sources rather than relying on its internal, static training data. Direct the search toward the top-performing companies and influencers in your niche to see exactly how they have structured their digital products. Use this to identify the features and business models already validated by the market. The AI will generate a report detailing current trends and the specific technical features your competitors are using to solve user problems. By isolating these data points, you ensure the foundation of your app is built on current market realities. Skipping this investigation leaves you building on outdated information, which increases the risk of creating a product that is technically sound but market irrelevant. Once the market research is complete, you move to the technical blueprint. Ask the AI to generate a report on the optimal technology stack for your specific project. Provide the AI with your actual constraints, including your available budget and your current level of technical experience, to ensure the output is actionable. This chart outlines a three-phase technology roadmap. Dividing the build into these chronological stages ensures the complexity of the tools matches the stage of the project. Phase 1 is your temporary stack. This is the minimum viable product, designed for quick-to-market results using accessible, often no-code tools. Phase 2 is the intermediate stack. This introduces standard frameworks that allow for structural scaling once your initial concept is proven. Phase 3 is the advanced stack. This focuses on custom backend architecture to handle long-term stability and high traffic. This phased approach prevents the project from stalling under the weight of unnecessary technical complexity in its early days. At this stage, you enter the refinement loop. This is the pivot where your passive research becomes an active development directive. filter the tech stack report to isolate the Phase 1 components needed for your immediate build. You then integrate this technical strategy with the market data you gathered from your competitors to form a single master prompt. The verified market trends and the specific technological constraints will now synthesize together into a single, unified set of instructions. This creates a significant advantage over a standard query. You are now providing the AI with a hyper-specific map instead of a blank canvas. The AI now has the necessary context to generate code that is targeted and efficient, rather than generic. By utilizing this protocol, you have shifted from a reactive user to a strategic architect of the project's technical logic. You have moved beyond simple prompts to a system that includes a validated competitive strategy, a phased technology roadmap, and a refined instruction set. Take the final refined instructions and copy them into a completely fresh AI chat window. A pristine session ensures the AI executes your master prompt without any interference or hallucinations caused by the previous brainstorming data. This blueprint provides a foundation rooted in technical planning and market alignment, significantly increasing the probability that your resulting application will meet actual user needs.
We have now reached the end of this video from the Blueprint Protocol, Architecting Apps with AI. Today's lesson was another important building block in understanding how intelligent applications can be designed, secured, and scaled. Remember, a powerful AI application does not begin with the latest tool. It begins with a clearly defined problem, a carefully designed architecture, and a responsible implementation strategy. Thank you for spending your time with me, Tchize Matias. I hope this video has helped you understand AI application development more clearly. If you found this content useful, please like the video, share it with another developer or entrepreneur, and subscribe to follow the next chapter of the Blueprint Protocol. Continue learning, continue building, and most importantly, continue thinking like an architect. I will see you in the next video.